Here I have Motorola Moto E40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. So you can add timestamp and also device watermark. And now every photo you take will look like this, with these kinds of watermarks. Here you have device watermark, and here you have timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.